Hi everyone, this is Mum's 2006 Bf Falcon, and she's mentioned that the rear demister doesn't work. Nothing actually happens when it's quite steamy during the winter time. On the rear window, she mentioned that it just doesn't work. We get the logo coming up on the screen, but nothing happens. So I wanted to make this video today to show you all the problem here, in case it helps you down the track. Initially, I'd started by checking the fuse in the fuse box here, and that fuse for the demister was fine. Next, I checked for the fuse and the demister relay in the engine compartment fuse and relay box, but both the fuse and the relay were fine. I could hear the relay clicking, so that wasn't our issue there either. Next, I thought I'd actually go and check all of the connections. So there's one connection for the demister lines on the right and one on the left, on the pillars there, left and right. Now I'll just show you guys what I found. Now, moving to the back of the car, as I mentioned, I checked the connection here behind this one, and the connection was fine, no issues there. Next, I pulled this one back. So to pull these trims off, they're just basically clipped in, so they can just pull out and lift out. So there's a clip up here, move along, there's another clip there, and then this one can be pulled out and out of the way. Then what I had discovered was, if I can get this to focus, was that obviously we've had a break in the wire here. So it should be a fairly simple fix. Now, what I found upon closer inspection was that it'll be a little tricky. There's not a lot of good wire left here. It's all crumbling away, as we can see. So the plan that I had in mind was, I went to a junkyard and actually found a good replacement, and I'm going to actually connect these wires to a good section on the remaining factory side here, and then that will just plug straight in, and then that will give us the power that we need, and then continue the system as it should for demisting the rear window. So guys, I'll just pause the video here, show you all with the wiring connected, and go from there. So I'll be back in a few moments. What I would recommend, if you've got a similar situation as this, don't do a twist and tape, because you don't want anything coming loose and again shorting the system here or anything like that. So please be safe, do some soldering, use some proper heat shrinking, as you don't want to cause any issues, any fires, any smoking, any melting down the track. And again, I hope this just helps. There really wasn't a lot involved. You can just clip and pull that panel off, and inspect, make sure, see if you can rule out if this side is fine, the one on the other side as well. There's only one connection over there, and it's basically glued onto the window like this one. There's just like a female and male connection there, so you can check that on the driver's side, which is the right hand side rear, but this one's on the left rear. Let's go and fix this one up, and let's go check, see if it's working. Hi guys, so upon a bit of further investigation, I was trying to remove this plug, and I saw it was in there quite firm, and then just inspecting this section of this box control unit a little closer, I could see, and now I notice there's a bit of it's a ridge, because we can see my fingers falling into that ridge, and it's quite crunchy. I reckon all of the heat, all of whatever went wrong, probably in all the wiring here, has actually melted all of the actual unit here into the actual plug as well. So it looks like I'll be looking to replace the whole unit here. So that might be a similar situation for you as well. It may not just be that the wires have become too hot and broken free, but also the actual unit itself has seen some damage as a result as well. So I'll report a little more as I keep working, but let's see how we go. Thanks guys. So here I've soldered and used some heat shrink to connect the new wiring that I got from the wrecker yard to the old wiring of the car. Very happy with that. And at the moment I'm just using the kettle to just steam up the back window a bit. Let's go and test our connection. Now I've got a feeling I've got to actually replace this unit, but before I've done that, because I could see that there's, as I mentioned, a little bit of a melting happened here, but just thought I'd try my luck first. I've got another one again from the wrecker yard as a spare, but let's just see if that's working at all, and we'll go from there. Awesome. Thanks guys. So I've turned the car on, hit the demister button, and already I can see some of the lines coming up so that the demister is working. Let's go to the back and actually double check it closer. Beautiful guys, beautiful. So as we can see, the demister's back to operational duties. And I'm sure Mum's going to be very, very happy. And we're avoiding a little bit of a copper tension, and also it's just a safety issue not having the rear demister working. So guys, in summary, if on the actual side on the windows here is still soldered and nice and strong, great. Double check the wiring here, double check the wiring on that side. You can check your fuse, you can check your relay in the engine bay, and see if anything is suspect if your rear demister isn't working. So guys, I hope this video helped, and very simple fix. Didn't really need many special tools. Lighter, some wire strippers, some heat shrink, and you know, the actual wire replacement. So beautiful guys. As always, you got to flick something for luck. So today we're going to flick the actual unit for luck here. Beautiful guys. So otherwise, thanks for checking in. Let me know if this video helps, and looking forward to making more videos for you guys. Beautiful, very nice. Catch you guys.